Hello friends, very good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders, and myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the option strategy. With our Google Sheet scanner, we try to find out some trade opportunities by using a Google Sheet. And the most important, it is the only one day on this week. So the weekly sheet is updated for this week on August contract, but only for today only. Nadim, thank you for joining my channel and very good morning. Thanks for joining this live session. And this one for only one day, right? So this is for only one day, okay, weekly. And testing also for today only. So whatever the trade which you are going to focus, and you can try to take as an intraday opportunity. Okay, so that may be only one day. So Monday the sheet would be updated. Once the sheet is updated, so you will be getting weekly opportunity, and monthly sheet still it is remain same. Okay, so don't confuse with that, and you need to wait for it almost. You have to check this. Okay, whatever the premium prices which is updating here is about the current premium. Okay, so don't confuse with that. So don't use for a monthly sheet. Monthly sheet you can go for use only on 1st of August. So still it will not update, and it is going to update on 1st of this month. Okay, so weekly sheet may be from Monday and monthly sheet from Tuesday. Okay, temporary is about a testing basis. We are looking for this sheet, and I don't want to take any trade opportunities based on this temporary sheet. Okay, and what's happening on pre-open session? Nifty is very flat, and Nifty, the Bank Nifty 118. So yesterday it opens like a gap up. After the gap up, it is entirely moving down, and with a lower level. So from R4 rejection to S4 below. So such a big move. So most of the time the market opened technical gap up. So that should be the possible, and it went higher. Even we tried for a put option, sorry, call option, that was a failure one. Hope you understood. Hello. Can you get my voice is clear? Anyone please ping me here. Get me voice is clear. You got my voice? Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for your update. Very good morning, Piyush, Ramesh, Nadeem. Thank you. Thanks for your update. Okay, so these are all the conditions which we are going to apply today. And whatever the trade entries which we trigger today, we are not going to track for a carry forward. Maybe we can try only quality and liquid stock for an intraday opportunity which we can exit out from the trade. Premiums are so high because it is a beginning of the day or beginning of the month. So maybe the premium is quite high. So maybe you can focus only low volume stock, the low lot size. Don't go for a high lot size. Let me try. So temporary also be the day where we are going to focus for today, and I will try to check this. What's happening here? Last update. Very good morning, Rakesh. It's happening 94 points down in Bank Nifty. Nifty is almost 38. Sorry, 17. Finance Nifty is almost 15 points down. So everything was started with negative on daily time frame. So about a gap up and it was started moving lower. So this is the thing which is happening on yesterday. So let me try and wait for it. I think the update is slow. Well, at a higher level, we have a rejection. So maybe the continuation in the top should be possible. So let me wait and track. Google Sheet will be automatically updated. Yeah, I think today, due to that contract shift, so it was not updated yet. So wait, I will update you. So it is automatic update. So no problem. Are you using our Google Sheet? Okay, so Bank Nifty, what where it is started? No, it is automated one. So it is works based on our advanced option positional trading. Okay. So Bank Nifty 45,700 is the current future price, 252 points down, and the Nifty is around 56. Finance Nifty is up to 56. Nifty is 23, but in Nifty future is more than 55 points. Currently trading 19,750. So yesterday is a huge drop and opened by the technical gap up and it moves down. And today also it looks like the same. So waiting for that update. Yeah, it's now updating. Okay, you have to wait for. So Nifty also looks like a technical gap up and it was moving down. Finance Nifty and Nifty is about the same. So everything is showing you looking at down. So we have to wait for an opportunity to find. So this is what a weekly positional. So here is about the monthly. That is what a testing. In this testing after 9:30 we can try. So here BEL, min to petro in the persistence. So these are all triggered before first 15 minutes. If any stock which triggers first 15 minutes, we are not focusing those stocks because of technical gap up and gap down. Maybe the premium will open higher and then it can be moving down and there is a chances for that is the reason we are not using the first 15 minutes. After that, we can find out a breakout or retracement opportunity in the weekly positional and BEL in this tower still it is moving higher. This tower, what's happening? I think day before yesterday 183. So we are looking at the breakout here 167. After that it went 83, but the option premium it is having a decay. So that's the reason we can't able to hold it. So these are all the stocks which we can look at this on the top. Okay, and one more stock Ashok Leyland. So we have to wait for a reversal. There should be a trend reversal candle and should be a spinning top or doji at the top level. So we can look at for a trend reversal around this point and maybe the stop loss is around 186 level. So because previously it is not reacting this particular reversal candle. So maybe this point of the time so we can expect some reversal. If you find any other stocks, the last update is around 9:18, so almost 2 minutes since you got. So we have to check whether it is updating or not. These are all the stocks which triggers our entry before 9:15, the 9:30. Persistence, BEL, and into Petro. So we have to wait for it. Maybe into Petro should be a gap up. See, it's a gap down. Then into Petro to 92.5, 282. So let me check this. That's right. Yeah, that's right. It was a last traded price based on the last traded price. Look at this. This particular strike price is last traded price is 13.5. So maybe it started with 13.5. There is no huge quantity, only one lot which is traded. That's why it's showing you such a thing. Okay, so no problem. So we should wait for it. I think why it is not updating. Wait for update. So I'm giving you that message. Okay, before that, okay, already Banknifty is moving down on 5 minutes also. It's going down. The strike price, maybe which strike price we can select for a Banknifty. Banknifty 45 700. Good option 412. Banknifty 45 100 call. It should be the premium 571. That should be not right. Maybe 45 200. So equal premium both the sides. If you are looking for 500, 400, and 45 300. This would be, yeah, both should be the premium, which is equal. Okay, so let me go with the Camarilla. What's happening here in this particular thing? Yesterday it is a reversal and it started with R4, and after that R4 reversal, that was a huge move in a down. Okay, what's happening here? It was started above R4. Look at this. It is going to be close over and above R4. Maybe this 5 minutes also we can try to use it. And the finance Nifty 120 points down. Okay, maybe a quick scalping which we can try to focus. So let me wait once there is a confirmation, then we can go for. I think what's happening here, it is not updating. Wait for an update for a data. So okay, so R4 above. So maybe we can use for R4 the resistance level to break out. So we can wait for an opportunity. So can you get my voice and video clear? No? So I think is there any internet issue? Okay, maybe a quick scalping 400 level. This particular strike price for above closing in 15 minutes, huge move from 246 because of a gap. So better to wait for it. And if you find any reversal opportunities, such a thing which we can go for. I think it's about those 5 minutes. High is around 413. Now it is 430. Okay, some 20, 30, 20 points. It suddenly jumped. Any stocks which we can focus, we are practicing with that Google Sheet. So we are not getting any stocks. Maybe before 9:30, if you find any breakout opportunity, that should be the best. And maybe the contract shift, that is also maybe a issue. So let me wait and check for update. Whether we can go with any charting scanners. Last 15 minutes breakout. These are all the stocks. I think intellectual is not from our scanner. And that means I think intellectual that is removed from future, I think. So we don't get an intellectual future at this moment. So INT, again India Hotel, India Cements, India Mart. I think this month intellectual will be removed from this future stock, but in charting it was showing you here. Delta Corp, IDFC First Bank, Adani Enterprise are those mover. So let me go for a Delta Corp. 15 minutes huge move, so we don't want it. Delta Corp, Adani Enterprise, so something. So it should be a reversal candle rejection. IDFC First Bank. So yesterday, last week also we are looking for IDFC First Bank. So will it just continue the higher level? And it was moving up initially 83. Now it has turned back to 83.1. So let me go for. And is there any other stock? Why it is not updating? Maybe we need to check that. So in a live session, we can't be able to do it. Already anyone who are watching or holding this Google Sheet, so wait for an update. Okay, so maybe a update in this call side, and that means a strike price change. So I mailed them and wait for it. Maybe some data issue, so the sheet is not updating today. So wait for an update. A reversal from that stop level. So let me wait for the R4 reversal. Here the stock is support taken. Happening financial service, everything is first 3 minutes down, and now fourth 5 minutes it's looking positive. Tata Chemical moving higher. It was a rejection. Look at this, looks like a shooting star in 5 minutes. Maybe it was sudden, but it wasn't in between the R3 and R4, R3 and S3 level, so not moving such a big. So these are all the stocks. We have a scanners and dashboards. There we can find out. Cipla cold call for a reversal. Cipla, there's a sudden move. So both the premium now it is equal. Banknifty it is trading on the support level. S4 and this one is on about to R4. Yeah, something is connected. Okay, so it is 934.80. That is what I last update. So we have to wait for here BSoft and Coldpol and IEX or those top which is in the top. And it's a only 1 day for data. It is about 1 day data. So which we can look for. And in the testing, so let me go to check the testing one. So that any other stocks I think you can see. So a lot of stocks in the put side which triggers, and from this we need to find out a quality, and if it is triggers before 9:30, so we should avoid like a BPCL, IOC, Mothers and Sumi. These are all already triggered, so let's remove that. So you can focus from here if any quality any good. So look at this Ashok Leyland 6.8 and should be an entry. So this is what an entry point. So Ashok Leyland, and the strike price is around 183. 183, it's about intraday only, so put option 6.8. Okay, 5 minutes. So let me check whether the quantity shows line put option 183 6.86 point, so that should be good. And 50,000 contract, that is what a 10 lot which is traded, so around 6.8 and 5,000 quantity, so 6.7 and 6.8, that should be an opportunity which we are looking for, and positional in for the intraday entry. So let me try. And this side, Gujarat Reliance 2520, and this is what the testing basis. I'm just tracking, and it is not about any giving you the opportunity to take a trade. It's about informational and educational purpose. So if you wish, you can try in Ashok Leyland, which I find so lot of stock which triggers as per our entry. 348. Okay, now it is updating. So weekly positional. So we don't get as of now any single entry, and whatever the entry which triggers today, that should be a opportunity for intraday only. Okay, so because Monday, so the sheet is going to be updated, and once the sheet is updated, so we will going to focus for the next week. Okay, then one is about Ashok Leyland, currently 6.8 that we are looking for. So let me look at the charts. 183 put option. Okay, 183 put option, so we can wait for same. It is also be nearby R4 crossing, that is also be possible, then we can wait for. Okay, is there any other opportunity in a weekly basis? In weekly time frame, so we have stock B's of Coalpol, IEX, OFSs, the top list. From this top list, we have to focus only quality. So B's of Coalpol, IEX, OFSs may not be a liquid STFC, AMC. It's about a weekly position for only this day only, today only. Okay, here about PL also moving higher. Okay, so these are all the stocks by the opening gap of something like that, which is happening here. So PEL 940, 950 call option 73, because it is opening by the gap up. So let me look at this PEL 950, PEL 950, opening 143, something like that. And loop in 900. Sorry, it's a monthly position. Okay, so monthly positional, the premium and the price and entry strike is about a July contract. LTP is the current contract. Okay, sorry. That's right. Okay, there is a confusion. Bsoft, Coalpol, IAX, these are all the stocks in the opposite, that is a call side entry. So IOC, Motherson Sumi, Axis Bank, and something like TCS, Bajaj Finserv, HDFC Bank, are looking for a put side, and whatever the trade which you are looking for, that should be a pure intraday purpose only. In temp profile, so we have a lot of stock, and we need to ignore these stocks, and if you find any quality and good liquidity, so we can go for. From this we find out that one is about Ashok Leyland, and the second HDFC Life in this tower after moving the top. I think the strike price is looking different. You check that in this tower. Yeah, that looks right. Maybe it is in a put side, it's slightly moving. So after immediate move up, so we are expecting some reversal, and also with the R3 reversal. And let me go for in this tower 177.5 put option. So 9.75 at this moment, here 9.10 rupees suppose. So let me add this, and already it moves about 10.1. So maybe above to that high, we can focus this particular strike price 10.1. So let me track this. Let us having a giving you opportunity, we can go for. Okay, so it will be what? Yeah, very good morning, Anand sir. Thanks for joining here. I think morning it was not updated the sheet. I think it's now working. So from this list, we have to find and weekly basis as per our concept, we don't get any entry as of now. So the nearest is about escorts and escort is moving good 2480 call option. We'll just check this here. Is there any opportunity? Escorts already triggered 140. So escorts maybe 140. So look at this escorts. It's a 124. It was a started gap higher. 139. It was moving lower. 140. Maybe it started trading just now. Yeah. In this hour, what is breaks above the 10.1, so we can try for this. These two I'm filtering out based on our temp file, not for the positional one. So as of now, positional we don't get. IOC, any stock we don't get it. No stock is nearby our entry point. So maybe market is down, but we don't get any opportunity. What's happening here in this case? Here, this option, is there any recovery from that level? This is about a 15 minutes. Maybe any chances for a recovery from here? Maybe this option will work. 45,300 call option. It was taken that support level. Okay, from there it can be possible to move. Yeah, very good morning, Parthiban. Thanks for joining here in this live session. I think Hindu Petro is slightly moving higher, but that was not traded. Delta Gov, India Mart, about India. So most of the stocks will liquid and Tata Chemical. So because it's a beginning of this week, and look at this REC 8.5 on 87. I think it has already given you the opportunity. So it went higher in the 5 minutes. It was given you. So last 5 minutes 9:35 to 9:40. Entry point around 8.6. That went up to 9.8. This is what I call said because the stockers keep on moving and keep on rising the top. So maybe a good looking long term basis. So we have to focus only a weekly opportunity. If we find any good, then we can go for. Other than otherwise, don't want to go for a temp. It is under testing. Maybe once the big move started, so we can get an opportunity. As of now, we don't get any opportunity right now. In this one, we are looking for 10.1 and this particular strike price. So not giving us clear confirmation. Maybe the new contract the new positioning strategy, which we are going to start from Tuesday onwards, based on monthly, and weekly, which we are going to start from Monday onwards. If you want to learn the positional strategies, and you can apply on this August contract, so the number shown in this video, so you can contact the number through WhatsApp. You will be getting more details about the course. So after completing that, you can trade with your own. So either edging or directional strategy, which you can make use of it. Fifty-six. In this hour, at the highest level, R4 reversal we can be expect. And overall, after the most of the days, market open gap lower or gap higher, and then very flat or reverse from this thing is happening. Today, market started with gap down. Who will let us goes higher? So we have to wait for and any get any confirmation, then we can go for. Bsoft is slightly moving towards the top, maybe intraday opportunity which you can use for, and that should be monthly positional. Sun TV also became REC is there in 9.8, 13.9. So it is for today's only. So because Monday, so the sheet is going to update it for the first week of August. Okay, so you need to, if you are following any opportunities here, and you can focus with the intraday only, so not for a position. That if you understood, then you can take a trade, or else you just wait for it. So no, not at no trigger. So maybe Bsoft Sun TV is nearby. Maybe that can be triggered. So one more scanner and dashboard, which we can use for to find the stock at the highest level by using RSI and ADX. Okay, what's happening in 9.9? So maybe one which I'm looking for in this tower is on this time, but I'm just looking for a testing purpose. Look at this India Cement 215. India Cement 215. Is what's happening. This is also not moving, and the first 15 minutes they use. And this 5 minutes, I think it moved. And daily time frame, not such a big move. And Jubilant for LNT, LTTS, IGL, Power Grid, STFC, AMC. Okay, 2460. STFC, AMC, that was looking good. A gap down. Okay, this looks good. HC, HTFC, AMC 2460 call option based on weekly 100 and this 106, 107, maybe 109 is the current price. Previous is around 107.5. So this may be looking good. And this also crossed above 108. If it is returned back to 108, so we can try for an opportunity. And currently trading 110.1. So we don't get any opportunities here. It has already moved, but we should wait for 108 level. Maybe it was moving higher, no problem. So when if you get an entry, so we can go for. I think we find out that one. So in a real time, so we find all the stocks. But if you are using that sheet, so you may be finding your own stocks that you are going to looking for. It was suddenly jump almost 10 rupees higher from we are looking at around 110. So now it is almost 120. Okay, RBL Bank. What is happening on RBL Bank? So RBL Bank, I think in the 5 minutes, it just I think looks like a 45-degree stock. So in daily time frame, that wasn't also be possible. And is there any opportunities on our RBL Bank? RBL call side 14 235. What is the current price? 243. I think it is trading 19 rupees. It was not active, I think. So maybe it is not active or BL Bank 235. Look at this. I think 19.3. Last trade price it jumps. Maybe the strike price which you are looking for RBL 235. So many stocks and it was not showing you the liquid. Or you see 8165. Yen return back. HTFC AMC that went up 116. I think we have some slow update here. RBL Bank is looking good and it was moving positive. So if you find any opportunity, there is a chances because yesterday is the reversal and today it continues post. So maybe the chances it can be going higher. Okay, this one also we are looking for a reversal that can be given around 460. The high is around 460. And maybe if you are taking this support, so we can take a small risk at this moment. Here is a huge drop and maybe taking a support on S4 and keep below the low. 360 should be entry and keep below low as a stop loss around 460 400 level. So maybe we are going to expect 549. And if this S3 reversal which is happening on this particular strike of 45 300. So RBL Bank cash, what would be the possible short-term target? So we need to calculate that. So based on that, or if you watch the charts, and we can find out RBL Bank. Look at this. Okay, so one more thing, the monthly one. Maybe there are the chances for breakout will be there in the stock. And the recent high is around 251. And this is not about 27th. Now 243. So maybe go for a daily. Daily already given you the such a big breakout. Let's keep on moving here. I think it is looking at a nearby all-time high. So maybe 274. We can expect up to this level of 263. And if it is breaks and above, that level we can expect. Okay, as of now, you can wait for if you want to buy. If you are not still buy it, if you can want to wait for a buy. So this may be the area around 235, around 220 level should be the range because it is moving higher and it looks like a flag. And maybe this level, if it is bounce, it return back. So you can try to focus on opportunity. So STFCMG, we missed out in something, any other IEX, you are asking about IEX 120. I think a lot size is big and also low liquid stock that was IEX. Look at this very flat move, maybe last 2 days only, it is having, you can hold it now, it's a good stock for a long-term investment. So it is very flat after this gap down from 160 and it was moving down toward 116, it was trading in the same level. Better avoid IEX. Okay, someone was asking. And Sun TV this month it's performing well and maybe some profit booking will be tracked. But even it was a wrapping, so no problem for a Sun TV. It's keeps moving higher and higher. Okay, so this month only it has taken a breakout and it was in the top now. Okay, but it is already in the highest level, so we should wait for it. This is an Unilever IEX, E-Scotts, and HAL. Liquid stocks, only liquid stocks you can focus. India Cements 215. So let me go for India Cement. That is also be very flat, not in a trending mode. So we have to wait for it. In this one, so we are looking for a 15 minutes reversal at S4 level. This high should be a entry 160, sorry 460, and the low of the day is around 413. So we are expecting in this particular call option maybe a recovery towards S3 level and maybe below the low stop loss. Okay, so let me track this one also. And this one STFCMC that was moving higher. Z Entertainment 18.9, so 240, because it has to keep on moving higher recent last week. 240 call option. Z Entertainment already it moves about 19.5, so we go for 15 minutes. Yeah, looking good at this point. So exactly at 18.9, so 240 is the strike price. The same price only, it is looking 18.9. It is even 20 paisa lower at this point, 18.9. Okay, so let me check. 18.7 and 18.8. The large size is still, we need a huge margin around 60,000. But let me check this, what is going to happen, because it is the beginning of this week and beginning of the month. So we need to pay higher margin for ATM options. Okay, AU Bank 720. It's happening on AU Bank. It is about 18.7. That should be opportunity here. 18.9 is our entry point. So let me add this one on our watch list. Okay, so something like one more thing which we are tracking is about India Cements. That was not a big deal. AU Bank. So AU Bank, that's a bigger move stocks in daily time frame. Someone Shyam always asking you AU Bank when it reverse, when it reverse. And look at this, the last 4 or 5 days it wasn't very flat. From here we are finding a reversal, but not given a big, and it wasn't very narrow like that one. Yeah, some good move in this Z Entertainment around the high made as 19.7, 19.65. That should be 1 rupee from our entry. Quick move, but margin is nearby 60 plus 60,000, right? Less than 55, 58. Maybe one opportunity that was we find out maybe in a day intraday, so we can get it. Some of the stocks like Sun TV, maybe mostly gap up. Okay, so because here higher the premium and also beginning of the month, so liquidity also always lower. Okay, so we need to be careful. And weekly any opportunity which is steering Sun TV 43.6, B soft, Coalpol, Federal Bank 134. What is happening on Federal Bank? The bullish stock. Federal Bank. Means is that liquidity. Federal Bank it moves higher. and almost 137.4. So let me check Federal Bank. 134. So 5.9 runs to 6. Our entry point is only above 8.8. Okay. So HAL is started. Yeah, HAL we are seen in the list 3000. Here I seen HAL somewhere. It's another monthly. It's a temporary. I seen HAL. Yeah, 3,900, 145. Now it is moving 170. I seen initially before it was on same price. That's moving higher, 182. Maybe here HAL, what should be the price? If you have missed out on an intraday, so maybe you can check HAL 269. That's a huge, so far away from our entry point. So it was in another big move. So we seen that as deal in Indus Tower, HDFC, and Ashok Leyland. So if you want to find out only any one method, we can use it weekly. Still, we don't have an opportunity. Maybe Sun TV. It doesn't mean we don't get we want to get all the entries before 9:30. It's before 10 o'clock. Maybe it's a sheet. It's going to be updated, and you will be finding the entry only after any point of that time. Sometimes we got 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Sometimes around 2 o'clock. Sometimes we are getting some entries by market closing, nearby closing. By next day, the options is performing. HL's moved. Okay, that's good. Cummins India, as you asked about Cummins India. Cummins India 1940. 77 and 79. So volume is looks good and the 600 contract. Yeah, it is looking good at this moment. Volume and spread is not a big. So initially we are tracking for a new contract, always having spreads. Okay, almost 78.25. 1937 is the spot price. Yeah, I think initially it is a huge rejection, and maybe you can look at this one, sir. So for an intraday, maybe the chances it can be giving you some opportunities in upside. Looking good. Maybe you can use whatever the thing which you have planned for. Maybe at this point, 15 minutes. With the chances, it can be going to give you the opportunity from that level. So you can track. So a good one looking. HAL is still in the top. 269 is our entry point. And ZEAL after making 19.60, now it has came down. Maybe if you get a quick profit, you can exit. And because we are not going to hold it for a positional basis, and this is for an trades which we focus only for today. So our Google sheet is going to be updated for Monday for a weekly positional and Tuesday for monthly positional. I hope you understood. And the link which I have shared you, my website link, so where you can get the advanced option strategy course recording module. So if you wish to take and join this weekend, and you will be getting start making your trades by from next week. Or if you want to one-to-one sessions, the link will be available in the description, and my mobile number also be updated here in the description. You can just ping me here and contact me through that mobile number to get more detail, or directly WhatsApp me to the number. Is there any other questions or doubt also? You can ping me here. So we are using this strategy for to find out one or two good opportunity in monthly basis. We are not planning to take a trade in daily and intraday like that. So positional trading, one or two stocks is good enough for a monthly and weekly basis. That is what our main concept which we are using for our positional strategy. And if you are really interested on that basis, okay, if you want to think over daily, I want to take a trade means it will not be possible. And only few trades in a week and few trades in a month, that's good enough. Our target is big and stop loss also be big. Okay, but we are waiting for a positional target that is going to give you some better results on intraday basis. Okay, even in this tower we are looking for, it's not given you the breakout. In Z led to the same price, Cummins India which we got it. And the positional basis entries only we are looking for, but this positional basis entry, it's not suitable for the day on Friday of expiry date next Friday because it's only one day, but we added the data as per the concept, but we find out an intraday opportunities only. And still we don't get any entry based on our concept. Okay, so maybe Sun TV is nearby and Cold Wall is nearby, be sub. If any entries which is triggers after some time, so you can focus that if you are already using my sheet. Okay, so if you have any other questions or doubts, you just ping me here. And if you are not yet subscribed the channel, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification. And if you are not liked this video, hit your like button. So REC also be there in the queue. Tata Chemical, Federal Bank, OFSS, Visa. These are all the top list which you are looking for. But no more opportunities. Overall market is trading on the same level. So up and down. What's happening here? It is already 460. Now it is returned back. Maybe the low is around 413. So we are waiting for it. Almost the same range which is trading. We are looking for a bank nifty. So maybe small jump and now it is returned back. And this one is 407. Again, it's slightly moving back. This was taken R4 as a support this time. Colpol is now it is in the top. So what should be the strike price? 2020. Whether it is liquid. So yeah, liquid 350 lot size 82, 84 and almost good volume. So maybe breakout only above 108. So let me look at that weekly positional scanner. That was a tool to find out a trade opportunity. Okay, so if you wish to take this Google Sheet also, you will be getting on Monday onwards. We are going to get the new updates on this sheet and weekly positional and monthly will be on Tuesday. So we will be getting an opportunity. I hope you enjoyed the session. And if you want to learn more about advanced option strategy, the direct link will be available in the website. And if you want to get more details on my WhatsApp, the WhatsApp link also will be shared here in this WhatsApp number will be updated in this video. Thank you so much. If you have any questions or doubt, you just comment on the comment box. Now we are going to wind up this session. Thanks for joining this and thank you so much. Thanks to watching this. We'll meet you on Monday. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining here.